Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete projects in ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a project in ChatGPT. So to start, open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. Next, on the left-hand sidebar, find the project section and select the project you want to delete. So once you click projects, you will see all your projects in here. So hover over to that project and click the three dots next to it. Then click delete project. So ChatGPT will ask you to confirm. So click delete from chat and work. So take note that this will permanently delete this project and all its chats and tasks in chat and work. So files saved to your library will not be deleted.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So to save chats, move them to your chat list or another project before deleting. So click delete from chat and work, and that's it. So that's how you can delete a project in ChatGPT. So again, hover over to the project and click the three dots and click delete project. Confirm it, and that's it. Thank you for watching.